Gen X is royally screwed. If you were born between 1965 and 1980, that's you. Here's why we are screwed and what to do about it. The boomers dodged the bullets. They won the housing jackpot. Their home equity is their largest source of wealth. Good on them. They also managed to retire on time from companies, the same companies that are now laying off expensive managers, most of whom are our generation. I'm in Portland, Oregon, and I see a lot of very happy 60-somethings who retired from Intel and Nike with cushy benefits just before these firms started their mass layoffs. Millennials and Gen Z are digital natives. They grew up in a world that functioned online. They are just as skilled at making money online as we were building our careers in investment banking, consulting, finance, and tech. Gen X is screwed because we're caught in the middle of this massive gap between the old economy and the new. We built our careers and dreams and futures on the same foundation as the boomers. Now, we thought we were building on bedrock. It turns out we were building our careers on sand. But we're not comfortable and skilled operating in the new attention economy. And to compound this gap, our Gen Z kids are making fun of us if we start making content on YouTube or social media. A friend of mine who's 47 years old and has almost 1 million subscribers on YouTube is still embarrassed to tell his peers that he's a full-time YouTuber. On the other hand, our parents are living much longer. So as nice as it is, we are starting to get squeezed between losing our jobs and sources of income and having to care for our parents with our time and resources. So what should we do? Option number one is beg to be hired as a manager with the same level of responsibility as before. Tough luck. Companies are getting rid of us at the fastest rate because we are the most expensive talent. We either have to settle for a lower paying job or strike out on our own. The only way out is if you have parents that will pass on their home equity or another inheritance when they die. And what if inheritance is not in your future? Well, then there's option number two. Reskill and rebuild your income and assets in the new attention economy. Start making content on social media and then monetize that audience with your expertise by becoming an independent advisor, consultant, freelancer, agency, or coach. I'm your guinea pig for path number two. My name is Lisa Kostova, and I'm a former finance and tech executive with a Harvard MBA. I'm building my content agencies for professional service business owners to grow in the new attention economy. Follow me and let's make this happen together. Let's effing do this, Gen X.